Hey guys, Andrew Koster with Louisiana Grills here at the Danson's Training Center. Today, we're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Louisiana pellet grill. We're going to be using an LG 900, but since all Louisiana grills have a similar burn system, these will be relevant to all Louisiana grills, including yours at home. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove the fan on your Louisiana grill. We already have our side panel off, so this is actually going to be an extremely quick process. We're just going to remove the 4 Phillips head screws that hold the fan in place, and the fan will actually come right off from there. So now that we have our fan off, it's perfect for cleaning and maintenance. You're going to want to actually keep these blades extremely clean, which is going to induce more airflow into your Louisiana grill. In order for us to actually replace this fan, we're going to do everything we did just in reverse.